to the flying high.
Let me do this one more time. What's up, y'all? It's your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech. I'm at a different location, and just trying something different with the Aspexel G09 that I got from Amazon. Probably won't be out here long, but I got approved to be out here. I'm not going to talk your ear off, but this is one of my favorite drones right now. Let's go up. So yeah, I'm in a different spot, y'all. I don't know what to expect from this place. I'm just getting the feel of the land right now. They got some beautiful baseball diamonds out here, and I'm just trying to get a lay of the land. They got 4 of these bad boys in a nice little box, and I love how they look. I used to play the baseball. I just love these fields. They got everything you need out here. So I'm just gonna go over these fields a little bit. Get a lay of the land, that's all. Bear with me. Yeah, so I'm not much of a talker. Y'all can't tell. I'm just trying to get the lay of the land. And the land is different. And you're gonna go over here in this corner. Bad out here. We're playing in the distance. And I'm going to do maybe turn to home. And see how close it can come to me. I think it's got me in the sights, y'all. It might be really close. Looks like it's gonna be really close. It lands on the H. I am happy. Oh wow, that's
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together fly.